Good morning, everybody. So this is part 2 of my Sigmall order. Here's the next 3. All right, so let's get into them. Trying to get this done before I go to work. I'm finding it very difficult to record after work with my husband home and meetings after work and just, And it's Christmas time and I'm trying to decorate. Yeah. Things aren't all jiving. Oh, this guy's so cute. I remember this. All right, I'm gonna roll it backwards a bit here. They're pretty tightly wound, so we'll roll it backwards for a bit while I show you their basic toolkit. Sometimes you get baggies, and some of them haven't had baggies, but little plate of wax here, pen. Just what you need. Here's our drills. There's no DMC codes on the packages, just number, order, 18, 19, 20. They're rounds, of course, and there's the colors. We'll look at them a little bit closer in a minute. But let's look at the canvas first. Let's see what we got with this. This is cute, though, you guys. Cute, cute, cute. Look at him. Isn't he cat? He's a reindeer. He's going to turn out really, really, really good. Look at all that black background. I'm going to assume it's black. It is. So they have DMC codes on their canvas. Yeah. Which is nice. Okay, it's not focusing, so let me try something. Well, there we go. I don't know. How's that? Not really any better. You know, sometimes I'm playing with this new camera and I just don't. I know there's like this autofocus thing. I don't know. Sometimes it focuses really well and sometimes it's not. I used to be able to hit in the middle and it would focus. But no. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Okay. If I do that again. There we go. See, it's all trial and error. But pretty clear. Look at those. No concerns about being able to see symbols. Looks really good. But isn't he cute? Isn't he just the cutest thing? Look at all the little ornaments hanging off his antlers and stuff. Super cute. Aww, I love him. So yeah, they have the DMC codes over here. See? And we got letters and numbers for our symbols, but then the DMC codes are right here. That's cool. All right. He's cute. Yep. And we'll, I got 3 of these to do. Let's look at one briefly. We'll just do a quick run through of colors. Oh, look. Those decided to come out separately. An orange and a blue. And then we have, what it looked like. Reds, burgundy, brown. This is kind of like an orangish color. Mustard. Oh, and then look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our black. That's our background. And then some browns. A little purpley color. That's what we get for colors, you guys. He's so cute. I think he's darling. He's so cute. Ah, all right. Okay, let's roll along. Let's see what else we have. It's funny when it's been a while since you ordered things and you haven't looked at the order much and then you open them and you're like, oh yeah, I remember that. You ever do that? Or is it just me? I don't know. No, probably not. It's probably just me because I have so many things coming I forget. Okay. Again, where's the open here strip? I need the open here strip. There we go. As I'm looking at this one, taking it out of the package, maybe, I already see that it also has the DMC codes listed on the side. So I like that about this company. Their canvases have the DMC codes. The drills might not have them on the packages, but the canvases do. So that's cool. Yeah, that's nice. Recognize that? Yep, just like the other one. Colors, okay. We'll see. Oh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, those colors are pretty. All right. Oh, wow, that's pretty. That's gorgeous. Look at it. Oh, so pretty. See, two butterflies. It's got a lot of probably a whitish background over here, but not up here and not down here, just over here, pretty white. But oh, look at it. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I don't think I've bought just a butterfly painting before. There's the butterfly. Butterflies. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. You have to see these. I took these out of the package and oh, these are my colors. These are all my colors. Look, a beautiful teal and purple. That's a blue. Pink. It's got some friends. This bluish white. That's going to be probably that big background. Pink. They really like to party around here with each other. Light blue. Dark. Another light blue. Call these kind of periwinkle color. The drills look really good, don't they? Yeah, the drills look really good. That's another pink. It's pinker than it looks there. That looks kind of corally, but another teal. Another purple. Another dark color. And purple. If I had to guess, I'd guess this is in the 210, 209 range, these here. I don't know. Let's see if I'm right. Just guessing. Yep, we have 208 and 210 and 550. Yep, all my favorite purples. There we go. Oh, look at those. Look at those colors, all of those. Oh, that's my favorite color palette right there, you guys. Pink, purple, teal. Love it. All right, there's the second one. Got one more. One more. And I don't remember. Oh, it's the sticky. The sticky is sticky. Yeah. Oh. Yes. Oh, sorry. I cheat, you know. I get to see before you do. This is another thing I've looked at and looked at and looked at and haven't ordered. Not this one in particular, just the subject matter. Subject matter. Number 3. See? No baggies this time. Oh. Different color palette. Look at that. Way different color palette. Huh. What do we got? Do we have the DMC codes? Nope. This one does not. This one does not have DMC codes on the package or on the canvas, either one. But who cares when it is my favorite guy and girl. Yep, I am a huge Mickey and Minnie lover. I've done one Minnie Mouse, and I've been looking at more Minnie Mouses, but I couldn't help but get this one with her buddy Mickey. How cute is that? It only has 13 colors. It doesn't need any more colors because it's all black, white, and red. But 13 colors for black, white, and red, that's a lot, right? Maybe there's some peachish color for their faces, but look at it. He's getting a kiss from his girl. Isn't that cute? He's actually got kisses on his face. How cute. Oh my goodness. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Well, there's an interesting color in here. Color I would not have expected to see. You let me know when you find it. You let me know when you see the one that I went, really? So, PJ packaging, plain Jane, black, gray, gray, green. In case you didn't know, that's the one. A tan, red. So the whites aren't real white. They're, off whites. That's kind of an orangish red and burgundy. That's probably their face. It's probably going to be pretty dark for their face. Let me see if I'm right. 12 is symbol H. Nope, I'm wrong. Oh, H is just kind of spattered in amongst the reds. Y, okay, so their face is this, just white. And that's white, and that's this white. Okay, so they don't get like a peachy face. They just get a white face. Okay. But the green's interesting. Wonder where the green goes. Let's see. Green is number 4, which is 4. Oh, it's up in here, like in the flower. There's 4s in the flower. And there's some down in here. The 4s are down in here. This have that light green. And some here. I guess it's just, I don't know. Yeah, I didn't expect to see any green in that, but I guess there is. But there's my guys, Mickey and Minnie, hanging out. Love it. So cute, cute stuff, you guys. I mean, I will, link all these and stuff, but I think they're all like around $8 or something like that. So we got Mickey and Minnie, the beautiful butterflies. Oh my goodness, those butterflies are gorgeous. And then this little reindeer fella over here. So there's the second part of Sigmall's order. Some have DMC codes, some don't. I don't know. I like the ones that do, in case you want to save them. The drills actually look good. I mean, these are, your nice basic drills that are going to just be pretty good quality. And they're all round, so, you can't really mess up with that. Now, if they fit nicely on the canvas will be the next question, but I'm guessing that they will. So, thanks for watching part 2, you guys. Hope you caught part 1. Maybe if I get real slick somehow, I'll link them together in the eye or something. I don't know. That's, a bit above my pay scale, but I might give it a shot. Hit the like button, subscribe, share videos, all that stuff. Love your comments. I woke up this morning to 19 comments and I was like, whoa, okay. And I still try to respond to everybody. Might take me a minute today. There's 19 comments this morning. That was a lot. All right. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks.